नमस्कार दोस्तों, किंग्स इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की ओर से मैं एक बार फिर से आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज हम जानेंगे एसी अग्रवाल का वेब बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। दोस्तों, सबसे पहले हमें www.acagarwal हमारी कंपनी का वेबसाइट ओपन करना है। जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं, यहाँ सॉइल लिखा हुआ है। इसके ऊपर क्लिक करने पर हमारा वेब बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन हो जाएगा। चलिए दोस्तों, अब हम सीखते हैं वेब बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग किस तरह से यूज़ करते हैं इस वीडियो के माध्यम से।
So you need to enter your login ID and password for logging in. If you have forgotten your password, just click on forget password, or if you are facing any other issue, then click on unlock account, or you can also call on our customer helpline on the numbers given over here, and we'll surely assist you with the same. Now once you click on login, you will be asked for a 2FA password, which is either your mobile number, your date of birth, or your PAN card number. So after you log into Soil, you will be landing on the home page. Under the home page, you can see different screeners over here, like the top stocks. You can see different gainers and different losers. You can see the 52-week high-low stocks. You can see the most active stocks by value and by volume. You can see stock recommendations if there are any. You can see the advanced decline ratio. You can see different news, and you can also see your portfolio over here. You can see the day's gain and loss of your portfolio and the news related to your stocks that you have in your portfolio. You can also edit this window, but we'll come back to that later. First, let's understand how to create a market watch list and how to place trades. So to go to the market watch list, just click on this MW on the top left. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, a default watch list will come over there, which will have all your holdings. This watch list cannot be edited because it is the default watch list, and it will only show your holdings. Now to create a new watch list, just click on this add new profile plus sign and give a name to the give a name to your watch list. Let's suppose I put in my name Aditya T. Now I'll just click on add profile. So now my new watch list is created. I just need to enter the stocks or the scripts that I want to add. So let's suppose I want to add Reliance. So I'll type in Reliance, and the stock will get added. Now let's suppose I want to add Nifty put. So I'll write Nifty 18,000. So I can see the different calls and puts of different expiry. So let's suppose I want to add the put. So I'll just add put over here. So this is how easy it is to create a watch list. You can also edit the watch list over here. If you want to delete anything, just select it and click on delete. So this is how we create watch list. You can create different watch lists, and all the watch lists will be automatically saved. Now let's see how to place trades. So to place a trade, select the stocks. So once you select the stock, you can see different screeners over here, like the best 5. You can see the charts. You can see the security and contract info. You can see the depth. You can see if there are any research calls also. So once you have made up your mind and you have decided whether you want to trade in the stock, just click over here on buy or sell. So let's say I want to buy the stock. So click on buy and the order entry window will open. Now you have to select from two options over here, either for delivery or for margin. If you want to place an intraday trade, then go for margin, and if you want to go for a delivery trade, just click on delivery over here. So let's suppose I want to place a margin. Now in the order type, there are different options over here. RL is reserve limit, SL is stop loss. So let's suppose I want to go for RL, reserve limit price. I want to buy the stock at my price, so I'll put in the quantity. Let's suppose I want to put in 10 quantity, and I want to buy it when the stock comes at 2540. Now I can also click on show advanced over here. I can change the disclose quantity. Let's suppose I want to disclose only one quantity, and I want the day to be carried for day only, and I don't want to go for the aftermarket order. If you want to go for the aftermarket order also, you just have to click over here and the order will be carried forward to aftermarket. Now, after I have made the changes that I want to make, I just have to click on place order and a confirmation window will appear. In the confirmation window, I just have to, I can check whether all the entries are correct or not, and once I am confirmed, click on confirm, and my order is placed successfully. So this is how you can place a trade on soil. Similarly, you can place a trade for sell as well. Now to check the orders and my net position, I have to click on this up arrow on the bottom of my screen. Here I can see the open order, so, and the completed orders also. So in the open order I can see, so this is the stock Reliance. I place this order at 240. Now if I want to cancel or modify order, I just have to click on modify, and I can modify the order from here directly. In this window you can see different things like the order book, the trade book, the net position, the stock view, and you can also see your funds over here, what funds you are holding. You can also see all the messages that have been sent to you or the notifications that you have received. So this is the net position tab, and you can also convert all your positions from the net position. You can see the overall position and today's position. In the overall position, you can easily click on square off if you want to square off any position or you can convert a position. In the orders, you can see open orders, you can see completed orders, you can see all orders combined, and you can see GTD orders if you have placed any. So this is the basis of how to create a watch list and how to place a trade on soil. Now moving further, now we have different tabs over here, like in the investment tabs where you have market watch, you have reports, you can see my portfolios, you can see the report of your portfolio. It will take a second to load. So this is the portfolio that you have right now, and you can see the changes that have been there in the portfolio and what profit and loss you have made in your portfolio. You can also use the analytics window to analyze your trades. There are different screeners, there are different tools for the charts, for the heat map, and there are different calculators as well. So for this you will have to use the soil trading platform to learn more, or you can catch up in our next video where we'll be discussing more about the details of this platform. Under my account you can see your trading info, and you can also see the funds. You can transfer funds from here directly. If you want to place a trade and you are falling short of the margin, then you can place directly from here. And you can directly search something from here. If you want to search anything, you can just click on this search. If you are finding it difficult to figure out where the thing is, then you just click on search and you can find it out. You can type in anything. Let's suppose I want to see the chart, then I can go for the chart. So this is a chart over here. So this is the basics of the soil. I hope you find this helpful, and if there are any other issues that you are facing with this while using this platform, you can contact us directly. Thank you.